Hello everyone, my name is Bhalgamiya and today I am presenting my project poster, Reduction of Lead Time in Medium Casing. This project was at Amtran Magnetic Private Limited, a company that manufacturing magnetic components such as a current transformer and voltage transformer. The company focused on quality, innovation and customer satisfaction. First one is objective. The main objective of this project was to reduce the lead time in medium casing production line. The lead time was 2.5 days and our target was to reduce it to 1.3 days using Lean Six Sigma tools. Second one is a problem statement. Uh, the production line was facing high lead time, process efficiency, bottleneck, non-value activity, and delay. This was a delay delivery, reduce efficiency. This overall project helped to DMAC methodology in this use, define, measure, analysis, improve, and control. To define phase to identify the problem and project goals, measure, collect data and measure current performance, analysis, find root cause of the problem, improve phase of solution for me and implement the help to my team, control sustain the improvement. The first one is a defined phase to we clearly identify the problem to high lead time, set the goals to reduce from 2.5 to 1.3 days, identify the process scope of core assembly to packing. Second one is a measure phase. We clearly process map, flow chart, and CPOC diagram. Conducted a time study in note down. We found 59% of NVA activity and 41% of V activity. These clearly show the major opportunity for improvement. Third one is a analysis phase. We use a fishbone diagram to identify root cause, measure cause, identify excess material movement, improve strategy, waiting time, unbalanced workload. We also found the porting process we the main bottleneck contribution to hide cycle time. Fourth one is improve phase layout, implement 5S standardization, porting process, process flow, improvement, and training and balance operator. Fifth one is control phase to sustain improvement SOP standard operating procedure. Regular fires audit were conducted. Visual management tools like production board were implemented. And last one is the result. Lead time before 2.05 days and after 1.3 days, around 36% is a decrease. Total cycle time was 46 for 2.8 second and after 26 to 0 8 second, uh, uh, reduced 43.6%. NVS time 73.6% reduced. Space utilized 30% reduced. And last one is a production capacity 25.8% increase in days. To result reduce and benefit to reduce lead time, increase in efficiency, cost saving, customer satisfaction. Overall, result is right and 100%. Thank you.